Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's definitely winter here now in the west of Ireland. We have the fire back on in the sitting room. We are preparing for Christmas. It's Advent. This is my lovely Advent picture that I have above our Advent wreath. There's our Advent wreath with our Advent candles. This is our little altar in the sitting room. St. Nicholas has been and he brought sweets and filled their slippers on the eve of the 6th of December. And we finally have our tree up. We put it up just there on Monday. So we are preparing, we are getting ready for Christmas. Now I'm just going to share with you some lunches. I've been meaning to do this video for a while, and here it is. So here is one morning. So the kids are getting some fruit, a muffin, sandwiches, and a few little of crisps, some of these lentil chips. And that's lunch. That's two kids' lunches there. I'm just showing the simple sandwiches, a selection of fruit, and a banana muffin. Here is another day. They are going to have pasta this day. So there's some pasta and with cheese on top, and some little crisps, fruit, and a flapjack. And that's just a napkin in there for cleaning the faces. And that's just showing that lunch there again. Another day there are sandwiches, yogurt, flapjack, some little crisps, and a piece of fruit. And here, yeah, that's it. That's just a photo of the same thing. And now we're on to another day where I have some carrots, some apples, yogurt, and wraps. And some kids like cheese dip with their breadsticks, others don't, so that's why you see a selection there. There's breadsticks, cheese dip, some fruit, carrot sticks, and wrap. It's a tuna wrap that day, as I'm showing you here now. It's a little bit of a messy lunch, but it's always eaten. They love their tuna wraps. That's probably on a Wednesday or a Friday, possibly when we didn't have meat for that day. Here I'm just showing you how I throw together the pasta quickly in the morning, cook up some pasta, add some pasta sauce. This one has extra vegetables in it, and I usually sprinkle some cheese on top. And they take yogurt, maybe fruit and flapjack or some other little snack like that with them also. One of my daughters gets some extra snacks in school on a Monday and a Friday, so sometimes her lunch looks a little bit less. But there is generally what the lunch boxes look like going out in the morning, except on the day where they might have pasta. My son and I went on a little fishing trip one morning at the end of November. He had the day off school, and we went to Annadown Pier, which is on the shores of Lough Corrib, and he had a lovely morning fishing. And I sent some of these pictures to my mother, and she very quickly replied with a little poem that she made up, so I would love to read it out for you here. The Lone Fisherman. The lone fisherman stood on the pier and gazed out on the sea. Big trawlers catch all the fish, he mused, so not one left for me. A little fish stuck up his head and looking straight at Dan, waved a fin, smiled and said, "Catch me if you can." And I thought that was absolutely fantastic, so I had to add it in here and share it with you. So yes, that was my Daniel on his little fishing venture that morning. And no, he didn't catch a fish. So I hope you're all having a wonderful Advent. God bless you all, and talk to you all soon. Bye.